See here, this is the brain. Then largest portion is the cerebrum. This is cerebellum. This is medulla oblongata. Control the heartbeat and breathing, involuntary actions. Then this is extend to the spinal cord. This portion extend spinal cord. Spinal cord. See, this is the brain. Okay. Then this is the spinal cord. Spinal cord is also like that of the brain or cerebrum. It is protected with the vertebral column, backside vertebral column. Okay, this vertebral column is also containing layers of meninges and in the central canal. This is the middle central canal is filled with a fluid. It is called cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid. This is filled with the cerebrospinal fluid. Then this is containing dorsal and ventral. See, this is one pair of nerves. This is cranial nerves. This is called spinal nerves. Okay. Here it is containing a pair of cranial nerves. This is containing a pair, 12 pairs of cranial nerves, 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Each spinal nerves is made up of this dorsal side and this ventral side. Dorsal side sensory nerve and ventral side motor nerves. Understand? Dorsal side sensory nerves. This is pass the message from sense organ to the brain, spinal cord, then brain. Then this ventral side or ventral root, it is called ventral root. Ventral root pass the motor neuron. This is called motor neuron when it is from the brain to other part of the body. This together to form a spinal nerves. This about 31 pair of spinal nerves are there. Then you already studied the cerebrum, outer side gray matter, inner side white matter. But here just opposite to this, outer side made up of white matter and inner side is made up of gray matter. Then function, it is balancing our muscles. Then messages or impulses passing from the brain to other part of the body and from other sense organ to brain. It is also controlled by the spinal cord and also it coordinate the repeated muscular movement. Okay, movement during the walking, running time, it is controlled by the spinal cord. Next, let us see the reflex action. Reflex action. Action. Okay, what is the reflex action? Sudden spontaneous action to the stimulus is called accidental or sudden action against the stimulus is called reflex action. Let us see one example. In school or colleges, principal have the superpower. If any student is going outside, they should during the class time they should ask the permission of the principal. Suppose one student asking with the class teacher, teacher, may I go to toilet because my stomach ache not well, I am going to number 2. What happens? Immediately teachers are going to office and asking the permission. When she is or he is going to office and asking permission, on that time here everything will finish. That's why immediately teacher giving the permission. In the same way, anything, suppose I'm touching, this one is cold, okay, just cold. This cold receptors in my receptors are receiving the cold impulses, then it is reaching to brain. On that time brain can understand. Or it is hot object, suppose it is a hot object, when touching, on that time these impulses go into brain understand this is hot, that is why brain telling with me, or give the impulse to the hand finger to draw back. Immediately I will draw back. That is ordinarily happening. But in emergency conditions, suppose you are sleeping, it is holiday, you sleeping, mother or sister, brother, anybody is putting iron, on that time suddenly touch your fingers or toes, this one leg to the iron box, hot iron box. What will happen? Immediately you draw back. After that only you know what happened here. One example. That is reflex action. Immediately drawing, after that only you feeling the paining or burning sensation, everything. One. Another one, you are walking, singing song, Johnny Espapa or any singing song and walking. On that time, immediately you see the snake. What will happen? You suddenly taking a step backward. Yes or no? Then only you can understand. Your conscious mind come to there. It is a snake. Yes or no? This is also one of the reflex action. What happens here really? Here, see, suppose this is a hand. This is a hand touching here iron box or candle. Okay. Suddenly you are touching this, on that time immediately passing the message to brain, but before the brain it will reaching ear, where spinal cord. In the spinal cord, from the, this is sensory neuron reaching to here, sensory neurons carry the impulse from here, and immediately here one more neuron is there, interneuron. It passes to interneuron. Interneuron, what happens? Give the message to hand to draw back. Immediately it is draw back the hand. After that message or impulse go to brain. Brain can understand. On that time we are feeling the pain. This path is called path. A path in which reflex action taking place is called a reflex arc. A path in which, or a pathway in which reflex action is taking place, it is called a reflect arc. This action is called a reflex action. Okay, understand everybody? Here have a proper picture. Okay, diagram. You should study properly this one. Now, reflex action taking place in the spinal cord. Some reflex action also taking place in the nerve cells or nerve fibers also, or in the cerebrum. That is called cerebral reflex action. Okay. If anybody is focusing light immediately to your face or your eyes, on that time immediately you are blinking your eyes. So no, closing your eyes. That is due to cranial reflex action. Then next let us study about the reflex action slow down when alcohol drunkards, they don't have proper reflex action. Okay. Then next one is the autonomous nervous system. Autonomous nervous system means autonomous without our conscious mind that controlling when you felt sudden fear or sadness. When you getting sudden fear, what I cited first of all, snake. Okay, you see the snake, or one dog is chasing you. On that time you are getting fear. What happens? Suddenly heartbeat increases, breathing increases, your eye pupil is also dilated, then saliva reduces, your mouth is become dry, saliva reduces. Then some more given, that is glucose is not converted into glycogen, instead glycogen converted into glucose. Then these all are the sympathetic system. This system is called a sympathetic system. When after, if one dog is chasing you, you are running and climb the tree and stand in there, sitting properly. On that time, then also heartbeat increases. Then also lungs are taking more oxygen. Trachea is more dilated. No, then it is become to normal condition. When normal condition reaches, on that time, one more system is there, parasympathetic system. That is just opposite to the parasympathetic system. On that time, pupil is become contracted, then trachea is become also contracted, then heartbeat decreases, then lungs breathing is also decreases, then hormone is slow down. Here hormone action in sympathetic system, hormone action is more, parasympathetic action, hormonal action is less. Here explained everything. Okay. Then urinary bladder, original normal side, normal state, come to regain the normal condition. Then gastric means digestion. These activities are when sympathetic system, it is become slow down. Parasympathetic system, it is getting again become normal. Okay, these are the sympathetic system and parasympathetic system. Next, these nerves, brains affected with some diseases. Here 3 diseases given. 3 diseases are also important, always asking for the examination. Among one is the Alzheimer's diseases. What is Alzheimer's diseases? That is due to the accumulation of insoluble protein in the brain. Insoluble proteins are accumulated in the brain. As a result, this Alzheimer's disease happens. Causes. Okay. Then symptoms. What is the symptoms? They cannot remember anything. Loss of memory. As a result, they losing the memory of routine. Routine means morning get upping, then going to toilet, then eating, taking breakfast, everything that routine work also they can't do. They can't recognize their son, daughter or other relatives. They don't know because everything forget. Memory losses, that is called Alzheimer's disease. The symptoms and causes important. Next one is Parkinson diseases. Destruction of specialized ganglion in the brain. Destruction of specialized ganglion in the brain, that causes for the Parkinson diseases. In I told you neurotransmitter dopamine, that is also getting slow decreases. Dopamine neurotransmitter decreases. Neurotransmitter means when here you studied, okay, neurons this is axonite, this is here, from here to the next cell secrete neurotransmitter acetylcholine and dopamine. Here dopamine is decreases. As a result, what happens? Become Parkinson disease, muscle contraction. Here symptoms are loss of the body balance, irregular movement of the muscle, shivering in a burger. Okay, then inability to, then profuse salivation, saliva comes profusely. Next one is the epilepsy. Epilepsy is continuous and irregular electrical signal or charges flow in the brain. Continuous and irregular electrical charges flowing in the brain causes for epilepsy. Epilepsy, on that time they are clenching their teeth, saliva or froth discharges in the mouth. നോരെ മലയാളത്തിൽ. Okay, they discharges in the brain, clenching the teeth, then become unconscious. These are the symptoms of the epilepsy. These Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson disease, and epilepsy, their causes and symptoms are very very important for the examination. All of you should complete the notes and show through the WhatsApp group. Okay, all the best.